We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
When we arrived at Crater Lake National Park at the end of August, the smoke was starting to hide the lake. As we drove through the lake, the smoke became so thick that we could not see across the lake. We stayed in the national forest north of the park for the night with hopes that the smoke would clear in the morning. It became pretty smoky at sunset, but when we awoke, the sky was nice and clear, so we headed back to the park.
Back to Crater Lake National Park and see what we couldn't see. The overlook to Wizard Island was a great spot to have breakfast. We also had quite a few conversations with other visitors about the van and gave a couple of tours while we were there. After breakfast, we checked out a couple more viewpoints and headed to Bend to check in for Descend on Bend. Go to a brewery. Yeah.
So where are we headed, Rich?
We are headed to Descend on
Bend.
Bend.
Yes, we are. Here we go.